What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to go over exactly how you can install LED lights in your Honda HR-V. These kits are sold on eBay and Amazon and come with exactly the bulbs you need to replace all your interior lights. This is a very simple job. You could probably get by with just a butter knife, but I did pick up this nylon interior tool set from the Harbor Freight for about $9, and I only needed this one prying tool. To replace the map light bulbs, start by using your pry tool in the center of the lens cover, gently prying outward. Once the inside tabs are released, you can pull the outside of the cover off. Make sure the bulb isn't hot and pull the map light bulb out of the socket. We're installing pink LED light bulbs in this car. The new LED bulb will plug right into the old socket. These bulbs are not polarity centric and should install fine either way. To reinstall the lens cover, align the tabs toward the inside of the vehicle before pressing in the outside of the cover. It should work once installed. It's going to be the same process on the other side. Pry the lens cover off from the inside towards the outside. Pull out the old bulb and reinstall the new LED. You can give them a quick test before reinstalling the lens cover if you want. As long as it works, reinstall and you're done. For the dome light, gently pry from the rear of the vehicle to pop the bag tabs out and the cover should come right off. Make sure the light is off and cooled down and remove it from its socket. Reinstall your new LED bulb in its place. Test it before reinstalling the lens cover, and then put the lens cover back on starting from the front of the vehicle. If you're working on an LX model like I am, you may not have vanity mirror lights at all, but they were included in this kit. To replace these bulbs, pry from the bottom of the cover upwards. These barrel LED bulbs replace the factory style. Just make sure the LED board is facing outward. Replace your lens cover by first installing the tabs towards the top and then pressing the bottom in. Moving on to the cargo light in the trunk, work from the front of the car towards the rear. The housing should come out with the wiring attached. Remove the factory bulb and let the housing dangle. Install your LED bulb and toggle the switch to make sure it's working properly. Install the rear of the housing first and then press the front tabs in. This kit includes new white LED tag lights also. For these, push towards the right side on the bulb housings and lift up. Once they're loose, you've kind of got to fish the housings out of the body. These housings also have the wiring in place. To remove the cover, press in on these two tabs. Remove the old bulbs and replace with the LED. Clip the lens cover back onto the housing and fish it back into place. The housing should be seated on the right side first and then press the left tabs in. The right side tag light is replaced the same way. Push the housing towards the right and lift. Remove the lens cover and replace the bulb with the new LED. Fish the housing back into place and clip the tabs in from right to left. test these out and make sure they work properly. And that's it. The entire job only takes about 20 minutes and costs about $18 on eBay or Amazon. It definitely personalized our HRV a good bit. If your install went smooth, consider helping my channel by hitting the thumbs up button or even subscribing. Thanks.